First line. New Year is celebrated on the first day of January every year. Second line. It marks the beginning of a new year with new hopes and dreams. Third line. People celebrate New Year with joy, happiness, and excitement. Fourth line. Families and friends come together to welcome the new year. Fifth line. Many people decorate their homes and streets with lights and balloons. Sixth line. Special parties, music, and fireworks are part of the celebration. Seventh line. People wish each other, Happy New Year. Eighth line. Some people make resolutions to improve their lives in the new year. Ninth line. New Year teaches us to forget past mistakes and move forward. 10th line. It is a time to start fresh and spread love and positivity.